Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students and welcome back. Today we have a grammar lesson and it's about what? It's about a new tense we're going to deal with. It's about the past progressive tense. We have an objective for today. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to produce sentences describing events that took time in the past using the past progressive. Let's have a look at some examples. Look at the picture very well and read the example. It was raining all day yesterday. Pay attention to the words in red and the words in blue. Was raining because we have it, a singular subject. All day yesterday, time marker. Another example. Ali wasn't doing his homework at 5 o'clock yesterday. This is the negative form. Was, wasn't. Ali wasn't doing his homework at 5 o'clock yesterday. He was drawing. And this is the question form. Was he watching TV last Sunday evening? We start with was and complete the question. Was he watching TV last Sunday evening? When we speak about two actions that were happening at the same time, we use while. While my mother was cooking, my father was washing the car. Two actions happening at the same time. Now, we move to the plural subject. In the affirmative, we say, we were playing basketball yesterday noon. We were, not we was. And when we speak about two actions that were happening at the same time, we say, I was reading a story and my friends were playing chess. Here we have and, a key marker of the tense. And in the question form, we start with where. Were you planting trees yesterday? And the answer, of course, should be yes, we were, or no, we weren't. Were you planting? And finally, in the negative form, we weren't having a picnic yesterday. Weren't. We weren't having a picnic yesterday. Now to the formation of the past progressive. Go to your book page 49. Read the examples and complete the rule about the formation of the past progressive. Think. Remember the examples? Yes. What do we use? We use, very good, was, or, were, plus verb, plus ing. Excellent. Now, let's check our understanding with some tasks for you. Task 1. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Read carefully and think. Think of the subject. Ali is singular or plural. We have Ali. So, yes, very good. Ali is a singular subject, so we use was. 2. Read carefully and think. What kind of subject do we have here? Yes, we. A plural subject. Very good. So, we use what? Excellent. We use where. We were watching. 3. We have while this time, two actions that were happening at the same time. Look at the subjects carefully. The first sentence we have I. And the second sentence we have my brothers. So, I takes what? Very good. While I was doing. But my brothers, a plural subject. We use were. Excellent. My brothers were playing. Now to another task. Task 2. Choose the correct answer. Read carefully and think of the correct answer. Pay attention to the subject and decide whether it is singular or plural. Yes, I a singular subject, so we say I was sleeping all evening yesterday. 2. We have my friend, we have I, more than one person, so a plural subject. Very good. We say we're studying. 3. My brother, a singular subject. So, that's excellent. We use was watching. Very good. You're doing great. Now, to the last task, task 3. And it is in your book. Complete with the past progressive of the verbs in brackets. Student book, page 49 again. I want you to read the sentence carefully and decide whether you're going to use was or were and the verb plus ing. Here we have Ahmed and Kareem. Singular or plural? Very good, plural. So we say were rollerblading. Notice here, the verb we have in brackets ends with an E. When we add an ing, we delete the E. Okay. 2. This is the question form and the negative form. Think about the subject and decide whether you're going to use was or were. Here we have you and again you. So, yes, were, what were you? And we add ing, doing, what were you doing in the kitchen for so long? Again, question form. Yes, again, you were you? Cook, we add an ing. Were you cooking? No, I. This is the negative form. And here we have I. Very good. I takes what? Yes, was. And in the negative form, wasn't. I wasn't cooking. But yes, I was eating. Three, read and think. What kind of subject do we have here? We have it and we have we. It takes what? Yes, very good. It was raining. But we takes what? Yes, excellent. We're running. And here we have a notes for you. Notes at the end. We have double in here. Why? This is a one-syllable word ending with a consonant, and before it we have a vowel, U. So we double the N. Finally, number 4. What kind of subject do we have here? Think carefully. We have Tina. Yes, a singular subject, and we have her sister, a singular subject too. So we're going to use what? Yes, very good. Tina singular, so we say was, and we add an ing. Tina was doing. And again, her sister is singular too. So we say was reading. We add an ing. Thank you very much for being with us.